Hi guys, welcome to my channel Simply Homemade, and today I've brought you the most basic of basic recipe, that is dal. And this dal, guys, hear me out, has no cutting whatsoever. This is one of the most laziest recipes I've invented, but yeah, let's learn to make it. So here are the ingredients. Here I have half cup of tur dal, again half cup of moong dal. This is jeera. This is ginger garlic paste, that's turmeric, and this is chili powder, and this is asafoetida, hing. Now we'll add our dal. 2 glasses of water, some turmeric, and some hing. Now the dal is cooked for 3 whistles and I've mashed it, and now let's bring it to boil. Let's add some oil to the pan. Here I'm taking around 1 spoon. Once the oil is heated, let's add our jeera to it. Now switch off the gas. Add some ginger garlic paste and chili powder. We need to off the flame before putting the chili powder and the ginger garlic paste so that it doesn't burn. Now our dal is boiling. Let's add some salt to it. Now we'll add this jeera into the temperament. We'll mix it. Now our quick and easy, super tasty dal is ready.